Alright, so I am back. I had posted 3 ridiculously hard 6th grade lessons that would have taken like 3 weeks to probably finish in 6th grade, but I thought, oh wow, that's a really big lesson, because I had the wrong workbook. So I'm back now for 5th grade math, and hopefully I have the right workbook. It seems right, because I can remember how to do this stuff. Okay. So your teacher does not want you to turn in your whole workbook. She just wants you to tear out the pages. You can put your name on it. You could put week 11 if you want. You could put your teacher's name if you want. That's fine. So we're going to do some graphing. One of my favorite things. I think one of the kids' favorite, one of y'all's favorite things to do also. I'm going to make sure I have the right page because this does not look like the right page right here. Make sure you're writing on all your pages. I want to make sure that I have the right page, and that does not look right. I think this is it right here. Okay, so this is my first page right here. Okay, we're going to start with page 575. 573 is where the lesson begins, so you can do those little quick things that they have for you to do, but where this is your actual lesson, we're going to do the even number or the odd numbered. It says write the ordered pair, use the grid. B is here, so what is B right here? Well, we crawl before we walk. So we're at 3, 2. So we put 3, and that's our X, and then our Y, 2. Okay, so you're going to do number 2. Okay, number 3, we're going to do that together. In 3 and 4, graph and label each point. So number 3 is 1, 4. I'm just going to rewrite it here because, and it's C. Okay, so I'm going to crawl to 1, walk to 4, and I'm going to label it C. Can't get much easier than this, right? So you're going to do number 4. I'm going to do number 5 with you. You are graphing point E at 0, 5. Okay, so 0, I'm crawling nothing, I'm walking 5 right here. So this is E. Do you move right 0 units or up 0? Of course, we're going to the right 0, but we're not really going anywhere. Okay? So I'm just going to put not moving anywhere. Okay, number 7, describe how to graph point K at 5, 4. Going to go to the right 5, and then I'm going to walk 4. Point K. As long as you plot it, that should be fine. But you could do right 5, up 4. That would be how you would communicate it. Alright, let's go on to number 9. In 8 through 13, write the ordered pair for the point, use the grid. Alright, so number 9, X, what is this ordered pair right here? Crawling to 4, walking to 3. Crawling to 4, walking to 3. Number 11, number 11 is W. I'm crawling to 3, walking to 2. Crawling to 3, walking to 2. And S, crawling to 5, walking to 5. Crawling to 5, walking to 5. Okay, in 14 through 18, graph and label a point for each ordered pair. We're going to do 15. We're going to crawl to 0, walk to 3. Boom, right there. M. 17 is O. We're going to crawl to 5, walk to 4. O. And then the rest you guys can do. That was so super easy. Alright. Let's go on to the next page. Let's see. Problem solving. There's a little girl with like a house. Alright, I gotta find my pages because I printed them all, but I didn't keep them in order. Okay. Here we go. We'll go at 19 here. My 19's not showing up, but it is on yours. So I'm going to read it out of the book. Communicate, describe to a friend how to find the name of the ordered pair for point R. R. Okay, so point R, you're going to crawl to 4. So you're going to move right to 4, up to 5. Right, 4, up, 5. Easy breezy, right? For 20 through 24, complete the table. List the point of an ordered pair for each vertex of the pentagon at the right. All right, so point A, we're just going to do A, B, C, D, E. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Complete the table. List the point and ordered pair for each vertex of the pentagon. Oh, we shouldn't do B. We just need the corners. So we need A, C, I, E, and G. Haha, see? How about that? Oh, I actually helped you out a little more. Since I did it out of order, I'm going to do 21 and 23 with you. We're going to do I right here. We're going to crawl to 5, walk to 3. 5, 3. And then E is over here. Crawl to 1, walk to 1. 1, 1. And then you have A, C, and G to do. 25, why is the order important when naming or graphing coordinates of the point? Because you have to do it the same every time. I'm going to let you write that. If you switched it up every time, then your points are going to be all over the place. Okay, 27, 28, use the graph over here. We're going to do 27 together. Dina's family will visit the place located at 4141, the Art Museum, on the city map. Which of the following places is located at 41? Art Museum. Easy breezy. Alright, so you're going to do the rest on this page. Man, these are easy. This is a lot easier than the other lesson I was trying to do. Alright, let's see. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I think I found it. Alright, next page. Here we go. The ordered pair 4, 3 gives the location of the playground. Graph this point on the coordinate grid. Label it point P. It's already there. Okay? Now it says start at 0, 4 to the right, move 3 units up. We already know how to do that. That's so easy. Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. Number 1. We're looking for A, which is 8, 4. Okay. So I guess we have to graph and label. Oh, easy. So I'm going to crawl to 8, I'm going to walk to 4, I'm going to put a point there, and I'm going to label it A. That was 1. I'm going to go to 3, it's going to be C, I'm going to crawl to 0, walk to 8, C. 5 is E, I'm going to crawl to 7, walk to 1, E. I mean, is this too easy? Yes. Alright, in 7 through 16, name the point that is located at each ordered pair of points. Okay, easy breezy again. Number 7 is 4, 3. So I'm going to crawl to 4, walk to 3, and that's G. Number 9 is 0, 3, crawl 0, walk 3, that's M. Number 11 is 6, 8, crawl to 6, walk to 8. That's I. 13 is 4, 5. Crawl to 4, walk to 5. That's O. 15 is 5, 5. Crawl to 5, walk to 5. That's J. That was OJ. Yeah, orange juice. Or OJ Simpson if you guys are older. Or your parents might know what that is. Alright, so that was that page. That was easy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm looking for a page. It's kind of like I'm looking for something here. Oh, I found it right here. Oh my gosh, I completely cut off 2 of the problems. Okay, so 17's up here, but I can't see it. It says describe to a friend how to graph a point 2, 5. So I'm going to write my 2, 5. It's so easy. Right, 2, up, 5. Done. All right, 19. Here we go. To make the parts needed for an electric circuit, Stephen cut a wire into 5 equal pieces. Boom, 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 boom. He started with a wire that was 6.8 meters long. So this whole thing is 6.8 meters. How many meters long was each piece that Stephen cut? We're doing an each. We are trying to find out they're evenly distributed, so that means we're going to divide. Okay? Complete the strip diagram to solve, which we just did. And then these are the 5 equal pieces. So we're going to take our 6.8, we're going to divide it by 5. We're going to do our raise the roof, put our decimal on top. We've got our roof tiles. And the rest is for you to do. Of course, you could do your 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And we don't need 40. Oh yeah, 40, 45. Okay. All right, number 21. Jeremy wants to visit the duck pond. Which is the correct description of how to find the ordered pair for the duck pond? First, I'm going to look for it right here. I'm going to put my ordered pair. It's 2, 4. So I need to move right 2, up 4. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to start, I always start at the axis, which is 0, 0. So I can eliminate B because it starts at the wrong place. So I have to move right 2. So this says 4. So that's wrong. This says 2. And this says 2. Good. Now I want to go up 4. Up. This is right. So my correct answer is C. All right, number 23. Andre moves the pawn located at E7 down 2. Oh, E7, and he's moving down 2. 1, 2. Okay. What letter number combination names the pawn's new location? So we're finding out what this location is here. E5. And you could have actually figured that out just by the numbers and stuff. So, just, you know, food for thought there. Alright, next page. I didn't do 579. That's for you. And 580 is also for you to do. We're going to go into the next page, which is 581. Make sure you put your name on all the pages. We're going to do number 1. In 1 and 2, suppose a graph shows that Jenny started with $3 and saved $2 each day. What would point 513 represent? Alright, so I got to look at my things here. I'm going to have to do a graph. So I'm going to do my graph, and it's going to be the dollars and the days. So she saved, well, she started with $3. So we're going to go with by 2s. But we have to start at 0 and or 3. Yeah, 0, 3 is the actual origin. Then this is going to be 5, 7, 9, and 11 because it's $2 every day. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I know I need to go up to at least 13, so I'm going to make it go all the way to 13. Alright, so the 5 right here, 5, 13 would be right here. So that means she earned in $13 in 5 days. Okay. Number 3, how would you set up the axis in graph exercise 1? And we already did it, so you don't even have to answer that one because we just did it. All right, number 5. Use the input-output table to make a coordinate graph. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going to go with week and height. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to have 2, 4, 2, 3, sorry, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. All right, oh, but we can actually do them. So it'd be 0 and 2. Oh, wait, did I do it wrong? No. Yes. I did it wrong. Scratch that. We're going to do it the other way. We're going to do height and week. Okay. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So for week 1, or week 0 was 2. Week 1 was 3. Week 2 was 4. See how we're graphing it? Week 3 was 5. Okay. I'm going to let you do 7 on your own. So this will be your Y, and this is your X. Right? Oh, wait, no, I did it wrong. This is X. This is Y. That's why I did it wrong. This was X, and this was Y. Okay. Alright. Sorry. Alright, number 9. Number 9. Here we go. Luis has 5 pages of a science report typed. He plans to type 1 page each hour. Fill in the values that are missing in the input-output table. Okay, so it's going 1 page each hour, so we're just going to go 8, 9, 10, and 11. That's 6. All right, number 11. If Luis continues the pattern, how many pages will he have typed in 8.5 hours? So 7 would be 12, 8 would be 13, so it'd be like 13.5 or 13 and a half. Okay, number 13. Mrs. James has a jug that contains 16 cups of juice. She wants to pour equal servings that are 1/3 a cup each. How many servings can she pour? We haven't done it in a while. We're going to do 16 divided by 1/3. So we need to do the keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. We're going to keep 16 over 1. We're going to change the division to multiply. We're going to flip the 1/3 to 3 over 1. We're going to do 16 times 3. I'm going to let you do that, and then you'll get your answer. Number 15. If the pattern continues, how would the line graph look when it is extended? Is it going to continue in a, is it going to continue that way? It will continue in a diagonal. Okay, I'll let you finish the rest. We're going to go on to the next page. We've got the worm growth and all that good stuff. Okay, make sure you're putting your name on every page. Okay. Number 1, we made the input-output table. If I continue 2, 3, 4, this will be 5. Then they did step 2. Now we're going to make a graph. I'm going to make 3 and 5, and you're going to do 2 and 4. So for 3, this is my X, this is my Y. That helps me a lot because then I know what I'm doing. All right, so my X is month. My Y is centimeters. I'm gonna do, I got 0 here, I got 1, I got 2, and I got 3. My length, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just gonna plot now. It's 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's that, and that's warm growth. If I should label it. Now I'm going to do number 5. It's going to be phone activity. My X and my Y. This is my X. This is my Y. So my X are minutes. My Y is text. Okay. So my minutes are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and my texts are going to be, I'm going to have like a filler here. I'm going to start at 5, 6, 7, and 8. Must be a beginning texter, because man, I text a lot more than that. Alright, so we got 0 and 5. That's our first plot. Then we have 1, 6. Then we have 2, 7. Then we have 3, 8. There. So you can do the rest. You got your 2 and 4. They're kind of fun to do. If you need graph paper, you should have graph paper somewhere, hopefully. If not, just, you know, do your notebook paper. It'll be alright. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, let's go to right here. Okay, number 5. I'm going to put my name. Make sure I got your name on every page. Tools. To set prices for her rings, Taylor increased the profit by $1 each time it cost her $1 more to make a ring. She sells rings that cost her $6 or less at no profit. Complete the input-output table. So we're just going to complete this table. And it's just 3 and 4. 5 is already there. And there should be a 12 and 6. Yeah, and that's it. Okay. Number 7, what would be Taylor's profit on a ring that cost her $13.50? So that would be over here. It would be 13 and 7. So it would be $7.50. Okay. Number 9. What is the missing Y coordinate for the red point in the graph? The red point is right here. You crawl 2, you walk 7. And what does it represent? Inches. Number 11. Alexa's bucket contained 3 centimeters of rainwater from last night. For the next 6 hours, it rained the same amount each hour. What was the total amount of rain in the bucket at hour 6? Okay, so we have to keep going up and up and up. So for the first time it was 3 hours, then it rained the same amount each hour. So we want to know at hour 6. So this is going to keep going to 9. Okay. And that is it for week May 11th math.